Tapping is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating threads in a material by cutting or forming. This process is commonly used in the production of screws, bolts, and other fasteners, as well as in the creation of threaded holes in metal parts. Tapping can be performed manually or with the use of automated machinery, depending on the volume and complexity of the production process. The tapping process involves the use of a tap, which is a cutting tool that is designed to create threads in a material. The tap is inserted into a pre-drilled hole in the material and rotated to cut the threads. The tap may be used with a lubricant to reduce friction and prevent damage to the tap or the material being threaded. Once the threads are cut, the tap is removed and the material is ready for use. Tapping is an important service in the manufacturing industry because it allows for the creation of precise, high-quality threads in a variety of materials. This process is essential for the production of many types of machinery and equipment, and is used in industries ranging from automotive manufacturing to aerospace engineering. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. As a leading provider of precision machining services, Berkness Company offers a wide range of services to meet the needs of its customers, including tapping. With years of experience in the industry, the team at Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to perform high-quality tapping services for a variety of applications. If you are interested in learning more about tapping or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. Here, you can find contact information for the company's team of experts, as well as a convenient online form that you can use to request more information or schedule a consultation. Whether you are looking for a custom metal part or need assistance with a complex manufacturing project, Berkness Company is here to help. FAQs. 1. What is tapping in manufacturing? Tapping is a process of cutting threads into a hole in a material using a tool called a tap. This process is commonly used in manufacturing to create threaded holes in metal, plastic, and other materials. 2. What are the different types of tapping? There are several types of tapping, including hand tapping, machine tapping, spiral point tapping, and spiral flute tapping. Hand tapping is done manually using a tap wrench, while machine tapping is done using a tapping machine. Spiral point tapping is used for through holes, while spiral flute tapping is used for blind holes. 3. What are the benefits of tapping in manufacturing? Tapping is a cost-effective and efficient way to create threaded holes in materials. It is also a versatile process that can be used on a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. Additionally, tapping can be used to create both internal and external threads, making it a useful process for a variety of manufacturing applications. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.